Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by claiming and equipping the field upgrade immediately. This is non-negotiable. Once done, move to a covered position and hold the use button. Don't sprint while activating because movement interrupts the animation. Make sure to check the HUD for charge status and remaining uses, then communicate to teammates so they don't push you. This first step sets the tempo for the entire only way round, so be deliberate and fast, and position to minimize enemy line of sight. Once you're in cover and activating, control your timing and anticipate enemy reactions. You want to trigger while they are reloading or after a takedown. This reduces the chance of being interrupted. Make sure teammates provide visual cover or deploy a smoke so you can complete the animation safely. If you see flinch, stun, or multiple angles converge, cancel, reposition, and try again, this avoids wasting the charge. The why is simple. Uninterrupted activation gives consistent benefit and preserves your advantage in only way rounds. You finish by exploiting the upgrade's active window, push a softened target, secure a position, or retreat to reset. If it fails to apply, quickly verify your key binding and watch for suppression effects or latency that may cancel activation. Make sure you aren't sprinting or taking damage during the animation. If problems persist, move to a new cover spot, have a teammate create suppression, then retry. This straightforward fix resolves most interruptions and gets the upgrade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.